In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to require email verification in DocSend. This is a great way to ensure your documents are viewed by the right people and add an extra layer of security to your file sharing. Let's get started by logging into your DocSend account. Once you've logged in, you'll need to navigate to the specific space or file that you want to share. If you're working with a collection of files, head over to the appropriate space. However, if you're dealing with just a single file, ensure you've located it either within a space or in your content library. Once you have your files ready, we need to adjust the permissions. If you're working with a space, simply click on Permissions. If it's a file you're sharing, click on the file and either create a new link or edit an existing one. Now, let's manage the viewing requirements. Under Link Settings, take a look at the section labeled Manage File Access. Within that, you'll find Viewing Requirements. Here, it's crucial to select the option that requires an email to view the document. This step is key for tracking and ensuring only the intended recipients are accessing your materials. But we're not stopping there. We need an additional layer of verification. Check the box labeled Verify Email. This means that before anyone can access your files, they'll receive an email from DocSend. They'll need to click the verification link found in that email, and it's important that they do this from the same device they plan to use to view the document. Once you've set these requirements, don't forget the final step: saving your settings. Hit Save or Update link to make sure all changes take effect. If you're setting this up for an entire space, remember to save it accordingly for the space's link. Now, let's quickly go over what your viewers will experience. When someone clicks on the link you've shared, they'll be prompted to enter their email. They'll then receive a verification email which contains a link they need to click within 1 hour to access your content. Should they complete this step successfully, a verified badge will appear on DocSend's dashboard and visit notifications. It's worth noting that this verification is remembered for 2 weeks. During this period, they won't need to re-verify for different links, unless, of course, they switch devices or change their email address. This makes future access even more seamless. And there you have it. By requiring email verification in DocSend, you're taking a significant step in securing your document sharing and ensuring your content reaches the intended audience. Thanks for watching, and let's keep your documents safe and sound.